You have a few acquaintances who are ardent advocates of acupuncture. There is a recent uptick in the number of meditation studios in major cities. Herbs such as turmeric and cumin are garnering accolades from both holistic and conventional medical practitioners for the positive effects they have on patients' health. There is a good reason why people are turning to these alternative treatments more and more. There is encouraging data that points to the potential health benefits of adopting a more holistic approach to well-being, including but not limited to the reduction of pain and the management of stress. According to research, taking a holistic approach to one's health helps reverse heart disease by reducing plaque buildup in the arteries and improving blood circulation. In another trial, a group of individuals with prostate cancer participated in a healthy lifestyle program. This program included moderate aerobic exercise, yoga or meditation, weekly support group sessions, and a vegan diet low in fat. After a year, not only did markers that indicated the existence of prostate cancer drop, but the genes that promote heart disease, prostate cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and diabetes were turned off. This was the case regardless of whether or not the patient had prostate cancer. Incorporating alternative practices into a treatment and preventative strategy, in addition to regular medical visits and conventional medicine, shows promise as a beneficial action for one's health, according to the findings of the research. You may want to try incorporating some of these common practices into your own personal health regimen in order to help increase immunity, reduce stress, and fight disease. Before we move any further, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy more informative content like this. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese therapy that involves putting very thin needles into the skin at specified spots on the body in order to alter the flow of energy, also known as qi. Acupuncture is currently being utilized to assist cure a wide variety of medical conditions. A stressful lifestyle can reap a multitude of benefits from regular acupuncture sessions. The method is utilized by medical professionals to treat patients who are in the process of recovering from addiction. It is effective in reducing cravings, alleviating withdrawal symptoms, battling anxiety and depression, fostering creativity, enhancing sleep, relieving pain, removing constipation, relieving headaches, quitting smoking, and overcoming jet lag, fatigue, and insomnia. Herbal remedies. Plants are frequently acknowledged for their curative and therapeutic qualities, and homeopathic medicine places a significant emphasis on the use of plant-based remedies. The herbs that are regularly utilized, which are referred to as pantry herbs by medical professionals since in most parts of the world they represent a significant component of a daily diet, can assist improve a few of the extremely key physiological functions of the body. These functions include digestion, assimilation, absorption, and tissue regeneration. Herbal remedies for allergy symptoms do not cause dry mouth, sleepiness, high costs, or dependence like pharmaceutical drugs do. They are utilized by doctors in their practices. They combine essential oils to clear the nasal passages in preparation for anesthesia, and they manufacture elderberry extract for their customers. They have a number of case stories that demonstrate how elderberry syrup came to the patient's aid when nothing else did. Elderberry is a natural treatment that is used to cure a variety of ailments, including sinus pain, back and leg pain, sciatica, nerve pain, neuralgia, and chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS. It is also used to prevent the flu and improve the immune system. According to the findings of a study that was recently distributed by the Journal of International Medical Research, a low dose of elderberry extract was able to alleviate flu symptoms on average 4 days sooner than other types of treatment. Other medicinal herbs that have been linked to the following health benefits. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory effects that are comparable to those of prescription medicines. Ginger, which helps lessen feelings of sickness. Rosemary is an effective remedy for seasonal allergies, including stuffy noses, and it can be found in many cooking recipes. Before using any herbal medicine, it is imperative that you get the advice of a qualified medical professional because the FDA does not usually evaluate or approve herbal remedies. Yoga. Yoga and meditation are at the forefront of the movement toward alternative treatments that place a heavy emphasis on the mind-body connection. Asanas, or postures, are combined with breathing exercises, mental imagery, and guided meditation in this kind of treatment. It's a very powerful tool that can help reduce stress, deal with emotional or physical blockages, and move the body on multiple levels. Researchers from the psychiatry department discovered that practicing yoga on a regular basis for 2 months considerably reduced levels of anxiety. According to the researchers, yoga can be considered as a complementary therapy or an alternative method for medical therapy in the treatment of anxiety disorders. According to the findings of another study carried out by the Division of Yoga and AMP Life Sciences, regular practice of yoga is more successful than traditional physical therapy at alleviating pain, as well as anxiety and sadness, and at increasing spinal mobility. Complete and balanced nutrition. Not only does food supply the body with the energy it needs to function, but it also gives the nutrients that are necessary for the construction and regeneration of bodily tissue, bone, muscle, and fat. And over the course of the last decade, there has been an increasing interest in concentrating on nutrition as a road to avoid disease, detoxify the body, and assist in easing the bad symptoms that are generated by standard medical therapies. The increasing demand for fermented foods is an excellent illustration of this phenomenon. Consuming foods that are rich in probiotics and taking probiotic supplements, such as sauerkraut that has been produced in the traditional manner, is one of the easiest methods to reduce inflammation and the damaging effects of pathogens. The health advantages of fermented foods are extensive and varied. They have been around for millennia and have always been a part of traditional civilizations, but recently they have seen a surge in popularity. Probiotics, which are found in abundance in fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, and kombucha, help to strengthen the immune system and improve digestion. New research is emerging that suggests a link between the health of one's gut and cognitive problems such as bipolar disorder and depression. Taking responsibility for one's own health via the lens of food as medicine is a powerful tool. Therapeutic massage. There is more to getting a massage than simply indulging in a day at the spa and being pampered. The William Harvey Research Institute in London and the Immunology Research Center in Belgrade, Serbia collaborated on a study that discovered that the therapeutic effect of massage can enhance the immune system and that it can be practiced alongside the conventional medical treatment that is based on drug administration. Those who receive massage therapy experience changes in their body's immune and endocrine responses, including a decrease in levels of the stress hormone cortisol and an increase in lymphocytes, which are cells that help the immune system defend the body from harmful substances. The research was published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine. Not just during the course of medical treatment, but for up to 3 days following as well. Massage therapy can assist in lowering blood pressure. Reiki. The hands. An approach that is used in Reiki is comparable to massage, although it is performed with a lighter touch. According to the International Association of Reiki Professionals, the technique is a form of spiritual healing or energy therapy in which practitioners administer a light touch or take a hands-off approach, holding their hands slightly above the body as they do so. In any case, they do so while holding their hands slightly above the body. The redirection of energy can result in a decrease in tension and an increase in relaxation, both of which contribute to the creation of a more healing environment within the body. It has gained widespread acceptance as an effective adjunct to more conventional forms of medical care. According to research that was carried out at Hartford Hospital in Connecticut, patients who received Reiki saw an improvement of 86% in their quality of sleep, a reduction of 78% in their pain, an improvement of 80% in their nausea, and a reduction of 94% in their anxiety during pregnancy. The use of Reiki as a complementary practice to conventional medicine is highly recommended. Your health and prescriptions are not going to be affected in any way by this at all. It is nothing more than a gentle movement of energy throughout your body. Because it is an efficient method of relaxation, it is particularly good for treating adrenal fatigue and weariness, in addition to stress and worry. There may be considerable advantages to adopting a more holistic strategy for improving one's entire health and well-being. If you are interested in incorporating any of these homeopathic treatments into your health regimen, it is recommended that you consult with your primary care physician and investigate the employee benefits that are available to you. It is possible that some of these non-traditional treatments are covered by the medical benefits you receive from your employer. This is it for today's video. For further videos, subscribe to our channel and learn more about healthy lifestyle.